Hello traders, my name is Plamen and we are through Sight Forex. Let's take a quick look at the movements of the price from the last week from our forecast. Okay, this is the pound dollar. Here we said that the price can push back from this point of interest on 15 minutes, and this is the result. From here, the price has made movement for 145 pips. I think it's good, okay? Let's move to pound dollar. This is the picture for the pound dollar. We said that we can see a pushback from this high over here, from this daily level of support. And look what the price did. It just touched the level. There it is. And made a movement of 453 pips. Just next to this daily trend line. Okay, let's move. This is euro yen. Let's see, we said that this 4-hour trend line, we can see from here a pushback from this low over here, but the price just hit the trend line and made a movement of 375 pips. Very good. And the last one, pound yen. We said the last week that here we have very good point of interest on 1 hour. There it is. The price just touched the point of interest, and from here it made 700 pips. I think it's very good. Yeah. Okay guys, follow us for more analysis and don't forget to watch our weekly forecast every Monday. On Thursday we are gonna upload educational videos, so stay tuned. Bye bye.